Buongiorno, I'm Chef Leonardo. Today, I'll teach you the secret to a true Neapolitan pizza, just like Nonna used to make. First, the soul of the pizza, the dough. Warm water, instant yeast, a touch of honey, and the finest flour. Knead until smooth, then let it rest. Patience is key, amico. Let the magic happen. After it rises, we fold it 3 times. This builds the beautiful air pockets inside. Now, the most important part. We stretch the dough by hand from the center out. No rolling pin, just love. For the sauce, simplicity is best. Fresh garlic, San Marzano tomatoes, a little sugar to balance the acidity. Spread the sauce gently. Less is more. We want to taste the dough and cheese too. Now, the star of the show. Fresh mozzarella, and a little extra sauce on the edge for a crispy, flavorful crust. Into the wood-fired oven it goes. The high heat cooks it in just a few minutes. Look at that. The crust is charring beautifully, and the cheese is bubbling. Perfection. A final touch of fresh basil, the colors of the Italian flag, red, white, and green. Bellissimo. There you have it. A true Neapolitan pizza. Buon appetito!